Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to install the new sconces, but I just wanted to take a quick minute and remind you what the old sconces looked like and the placement of them. The previous owners had centered them on the wall, but because we have the bathroom on this side of the bedroom, we need to leave some extra room on the side of the bed that's closest to the bathroom. So we cannot put the new sconces in the same place. We did have the electrician come out and move the boxes to the side of the headboard, and we are trying to follow the rule of thirds and have the sconces come down a third of the way past the headboard, and that way it'll be a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. So let's get to it. I purchased these lights off of Etsy, and I like them because they're different and they're a little unexpected, but they're kind of small and I didn't want them to get lost on that big wall. So we just cut out a piece of wood and stained it, and we're going to put that behind the lights to kind of give it more detail and to kind of add some prominence to the light. We had to countersink the back of that middle hole because on the hardware there was a little lip on that middle hole. So we had to countersink the back of it so that the piece of wood would sit flush against the wall. Okay.
Should have been on the other ones. It was probably yellow. Okay. I think I need to cut those.
Ken has to strip the fabric and the wires back a little on the light so that he can create a secure connection to the wires in the wall. right, there we have it. Sconces on the sides of our bed. Try the light. Would help if we had a light bulb in it. Ta-da! Very nice. They're dimmable. Cool. I like them. Don't mind my bedding. I don't want to put the new bedding on yet, I feel like, until we get closer to having the room completely done, but we're getting there. One more project done. Thanks to this guy. And I think that's a wrap, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for joining us.